Hello to all my students. Today you are going to learn lesson 14, that is Mahima's uncle. In this lesson there are four persons. First one is Mahima. Then next Mahima's father and mother. Then comes Mahima's uncle. So, students, in this lesson, you are going to know about Mahima's uncle. Mahima got up early in the morning. Do you know why? Her uncle was coming from London. She was going to the airport to receive him. The flight was to arrive at 6:30 in the morning. Dear students, this lesson is about Mahima's uncle. Here, the lesson starts in this way. Mahima got up early in the morning. Mahima सुबह जल्दी उठ जाती हैं. Do you know why? आपको पता है क्यों? Because her uncle was coming from London. उनके अंकल लंदन से आने वाले थे. She was going to the airport to receive him. वह सुबह उठ के उनको एयरपोर्ट में रिसीव करने जाना था उनको. The flight was to arrive at 6:30 in the morning. और फ्लाइट कितने बजे की थी? सुबह 6:30 बजे की. At 6 o'clock they all left for the airport. There were not many people on the road. They saw cars and scooters. 2 men were walking. 3 boys were riding bicycles. They also saw 2 cows in the fields. On the way, the car stopped at a petrol pump to take petrol. Father, mother, and Mahima, they all left for airport at 6 o'clock. What was the time? At 6 o'clock. At that time, there were no people on the road. While they were traveling, they saw cars and scooters. They saw 2 men were walking. They saw 3 boys were riding bicycles and also 2 cows in the field. After then, they had stopped at a petrol pump to take petrol. The flight was on time. There were many people at the airport. People were coming by cars and jeeps. Soon they had the announcement of the flight. They waited there. Many men, women, and small children were coming with their bags. Soon Mahima saw her uncle coming. He was in a grey suit. पेट्रोल पंप के बाद जब वे सभी एयरपोर्ट पहुँचे तो उन्होंने देखा कि फ़्लाइट टाइम पे थी. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग भी थे. कोई कार से आ रहे थे तो कोई जीप से आ रहे थे. तभी अनाउंसमेंट होता है कि फ़्लाइट आ चुकी है. तो महिमा और महिमा के मम्मी पापा सभी वहाँ पर अंकल का इंतज़ार कर रहे थे. As the flight landed, they saw many men, women, and small children were coming with their bags. And soon Mahima also saw her uncle coming. He was in a grey suit. Uncle came and took out a small box from his pocket. He gave it to Mahima. Here is a watch for you. Uncle told her that London is the capital of England. It is very far away. We can reach there only by plane. We can go by ship too, but it will take many days. Uncle will go back after 2 weeks. Mahima is happy to be with her uncle. Dear students, here you can see that uncle had came. He met all the family members, and then for the little girl Mahima, he had took out a box from his pocket. It was a small gift for Mahima. He told Mahima, "Here is a small watch for you." And from where uncle had brought that gift? From London. Then uncle told that London is the capital of England, and London is also very far away. How can we reach there? We can reach there by plane, or we can reach there also by ship, but ship will take many days. So after that uncle told that I will go back to London after 2 weeks. कितने दिनों बाद जाएंगे? 2 हफ्ते बाद. तो महिमा यह सुन के बहुत खुश हुई कि कुछ दिन अंकल उनके साथ रहेंगे.